Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Today, I'm going to show you some simple moves to help you get rid of back pain and other areas of the body that experience stress. By following these simple steps, over time, you'll experience permanent relief. We're going to begin by sitting Indian style. Inhale and push your chest forward. Squeeze the shoulder blades together and arch your back. As you exhale, tuck your chin into your chest and lean forward. You'll feel a nice, deep stretch in your spine each time. This move is a great warm-up and will get the spine and abdominals ready for more stretches. For our second move, we're going to begin a side stretch. Set one arm down onto the floor next to you and stretch the other arm over top of your head. Reach over as far as you can and make sure that your hips never come up off the floor. Inhale and come back up to the center, and then sweep your opposite arm over the other side. For our third move, we're going to move into another twist. Bring your right arm across the body in front of you and reach back with your other arm. Twist to your left and look over your shoulder. Your neck should be a part of this twist, and you should feel a stretch all the way down your spine. For our fourth move, you're going to want your knees placed directly under your hips, and your shoulders should hover directly above your wrists. Press your hands firmly into the floor and inhale. Push your chest forward. As you exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. Inhale again and reach forward. For our fifth move, we're going to do a twist in the same position. Keep your knees under your hips. Plant one palm into the ground and reach the other arm in a scooping motion underneath you to get a nice stretch in your arms and shoulders. Come all the way down onto the floor and rest on your shoulder. For our last move, we're going to stretch out the lower back. Lie all the way back on your mat. Bring one knee up towards your chest and pull it inwards. Now, bring your knee over to the floor, to the opposite side of your body. Open your arm out to the side and look over your shoulder. You should feel this stretch in your shoulder and lower back. Repeat as necessary. Let us know down in the comments if you decide to try any of these moves for yourself. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching.